Let's go again. Hello and welcome Mecca Beauty Junkies. I'm Emily and I am super excited for Splendour in the Grass 2018 and I hope you guys are too. So excited in fact that I have filmed my epic makeup look, hair situation, clothing scenario for you today. I'm mostly going for these kind of like intergalactic, space queen, unicorn, mermaid, iridescent vibes. So if you're a fan and you want to see how I achieved this makeup look and how you can too, then keep on watching. I've already prepped my skin, it's nice and clean. The key things to a perfect music festival makeup look is to make sure that you look after your skin by using some really hydrating products that are also going to give you sun protection. Then when it comes to makeup, we're going to look for longevity, hydration, as well as some fancy fun colors. So I'm going to start with my base. Basically, I'm going for a really fresh, flawless, skin-like glow. I'm going to make sure that my skin is primed. I'm going to use, these are very well loved if you can't already tell. This is the Too Faced Hangover Primer and then it's kind of rubbed off, but the Mecca Illuminating Primer. I'm going to cocktail them together. I'm a massive fan of cocktailing primers together because primers are so great these days that why not get benefits of multiple ones all on my face at the same time. I like to also use the All Nighter Setting Spray from Urban Decay on my face at this point. Prepped, beautiful. A little trick I like to do to enhance the glow is use a cream highlight before and after my foundation. So this is the Hourglass Champagne Flash Vanish stick. I'm just going to draw that onto the high points of my face and use my fingers to blend it in. For my foundation, I'm going to take the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. Definitely one of my new favorites. It's going to give me the longevity that I need for the entire day, as well as give me this kind of full, flawless, but still skin-like coverage. So I use my hands to blend it in and make sure it's all blended nicely around my ears, jawline and neck, because NARS products just work beautifully with your fingertips and it really helps to just become one with your own skin. And then I will spray the All Nighter Setting Spray with my Stila Beauty sponge and then just pat that all over the foundation. It really kind of locks it in a little bit more, I feel. I'm going to take some Mecca Cosmetica Lip De-Luscious. This is the Peach Shimmer. I'm going to go in with a little bit of, I wouldn't say contouring, but like cream bronzing. So I'm going to take the Bronze Flash from Hourglass, draw that in a bit of a 3, concentrate that on the cheek. Time for my favorite concealer. This is the BAREMINERALS Bare Skin in Light. I'm gonna pop that underneath the eyes for a bit of added brightness, so I look effortlessly awake. When I want to make sure that my makeup stays on forever and a day, like I do at Splendour, I want to make sure that we bake. I'm gonna use the Mecca Banana Bake in Loose. So this stuff is beautiful. You get a really nice bright finish. But the powder itself is super fine and it's just like velvet. So I'm going to take my Stila Beauty sponge, just the same one I've been using this whole time, nice and damp, press it into the bake, and then I'm just going to dab this in pretty much anywhere that I've just put the concealer under my eyes. So I look really crazy right now, but don't worry because it's all for good reason. Actually, I just look like more anime character than I've ever looked in my whole life. I just put the remainder of the powder from my sponge on the chin there, so you can kind of see that light layer. So we're gonna let this bake for a few minutes while I do my brows and get a start on my eye, and then we'll brush it away. I'm gonna take the Arch Brow Sculpting Pencil as well as the Volumizing Fiber Gel. These babies are a match made in heaven. I'm going for a fluffy yet defined brow. So I'm just trying to get this nice clean line under here of my brow and arch by having little strokes. And then at the head of the brow, I just want to follow the natural shape that my hair takes. So what I mean by that is that I'm drawing horizontally here because the hairs go horizontal, but now the hairs at the front of my eyebrow are going vertically, so I'm going to go vertically as well. I'm really happy with that brow. It's nice and fluffy. I'm going to use the fiber gel now, and I'm just kind of stroking it in upward motions into the eyebrow. So I'll just do this on the other brow and we'll get back to it. So now that the eyebrows are done, we'll go into the eye look. Start off with some of these Mecca Maxima Interstellar Intergalactic Cream Shadows. I'm gonna use my fingers and start with Moonshine, which is this like iridescent white color. I'm gonna be really careful with this because we've laid down some powder, but basically I'm just gonna pat this underneath the brow bone as this like beaming highlight. Can you kind of like see that extra dimension that it gives? It's like, just wait for that crow to have its moment, jeez. So I've taken that the entire way along the brow because it's gonna really brighten under that area, draw focus to my eyes, as well as make my brow line look super clean. So now I'm gonna take Midnight Sun, which is the gold. I'm gonna start that in the inner corner of the eye and again use my finger and then bring it over the inner third of the eye as well. These cream shadows are beautiful to layer, so if you wanna just start off small and build it on top of itself, you will get such a beautiful finish. So we're gonna take Space Cadet, which is this purple. Same process, but just kind of like in the center third of the eye. Oh, this one is stunning. So we're going gold, purple, and last but not least, we're going to pick up Intergalactic on the outer third of the eye. So this is really going to take us to like a full unicorn vibe level, okay? Just to raise the space vibes of my look, I'm going to bring the blue up onto my brow bone a little bit here, just to kind of help blend it in with that iridescent white shade we put on the brow bone. So as you can see, I've brought it underneath the lash line as well, and I've just mirrored what's on the top and really blown out this blue. I'm going to take the Banana Bake brush that comes with the powder and just gently dust off the remaining Banana Bake under the eyes. I've used 4 different colors and they just blend seamlessly into each other. We wait for coffee. Let's put some mascara on. Massive fan of the new SMASHBOX SUPERFAN. Get it? Fan, SUPERFAN. Anyway, so SUPERFAN fanned out mascara. So in terms of longevity, this mascara lasts a really long time, which is great. It doesn't flake. I'm not planning on crying, so I'm not going for a waterproof one. I'm gonna put this mascara on top and bottom lashes. In fact, let's just do it off camera because nobody needs to see my ugly mascara face. Thanks. Mascara on, and a little bit of white liner just in the waterline. Oh, the postman is here. Well, that was a bust. The postman just came and there wasn't anything for me. These are the Mecca Max HOLO-JELLY, like jelly highlight. And I'm gonna add a little bit of a touch of that on the cheekbones. Ooh, it's like, it's full jelly. This is so fun. Okay, I'm just going to dip into both of them. This is so fun. I just want to walk around like this every day of my life. Share the love on this side. Ooh. I love a good wet look highlight. Like, can't beat that. I was just going to do it up here, but now I'm just bringing it over my entire cheek region. Let's not forget the forehead. I'm just gonna keep it to kind of like the outer side of my face though. There's no such thing as too much highlight. Down the center of the nose. I'm feeling this. Can you tell? I haven't picked my outfit yet, we'll get to that. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, just cheeky rub that into the whole chest area. I'm gonna take the chocolate gold Soleil, nice and loved here. Tap off the excess because you gotta be careful because this baby has pigment. Focus that here on the cheek, give me some dimension. Don't forget the jawline and the neck, the ear just behind because my hair is up. Don't want any white patches, gotta make people think this tan's real, hey? And on the hairline, and brush it back into the hair so there's no weird white ring. Let's use some blush from Hourglass. This is my poor little beat up compact because I use it so much. Just dab So just enough to kind of bring back some color and health to the cheeks. To complement our already delicious wet look highlight, we're gonna take the Too Faced Diamond highlight here. Oh yes. Don't be afraid, bring it down. So I've kind of finished with all of my powder products. I'm gonna take my baby. This is TATCHA Dewy Skin Mist. I'm gonna hold my hand in the center of my face to avoid getting the dewy skin mist in the center of my face because it's pretty much as dewy as I want. I'm going to take one of my fave lipsticks to wear like all the time that I got from Mecca Land was the Too Faced Fairy Tears. This is beautiful, so we'll just pop this on. So it goes with this whole holographic theme. It's this beautiful iridescent pink. I'm obsessed with lip gloss. So I've got a couple of lip glosses here from the Mecca Max Galactic Gloss range. Let's go out of orbit because it's already a bit pink and it's definitely got some blue, gold and pink glow in there. It's just really heightening the gloss and the shine level, which I'm all about. In terms of a little bit more glitter elsewhere, I've got a few of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter liners here. The Old Faithful Midnight Cowboy has served me well many times. But let's take a little bit of Distortion, which is this iridescent white, and Grind, this Fairy Floss kind of pink color. Let's take this underneath the lower lash line to give that a little bit of pizzazz. Yeah, that really makes such a difference. Really helps just elevate the look. I'm actually gonna bring this out my lower lash line and create like a lower lash line flick because why not? Just something a bit different, a bit fun. So I'm gonna go with Grind, the Fairy Floss pink, and use that as kind of like a highlight. So I'm gonna highlight the Cupid's bow. And then I'm also gonna highlight underneath my brow bone as well. And for old time's sake, let's go with Midnight Cowboy right in the inner corner. I'm nearly done. I just want to take a few face gems to really amplify this Space Queen look I've got going on here. I'm going to take a mixture of these two gem kits. I'm going full Sailor Moon here, I've just decided. So we're going to get this as close to the center as possible. So if you can tell, I'm using the moon as my focal point and then I'm doing the gems up, kind of like Sailor Moon tiara style. We're going to take a couple of the little stars and just pop them right there, kind of underneath, slightly underneath my lower lash line there. Need a little bit of glitter in my part. We're going to take the In Your Dreams Cosmetic Glitter in this kind of like pink white, top it off with pink, and maybe add a little touch of blue because, oh, thank you so much. People just beeping outside my house, that's fine. I've got the PLAYA Pure Dry Shampoo, which has fastly become one of my faves. I know it's dry shampoo and not hairspray, but that's cool because I just want my part to be a little bit damp for the glitter and also to help just kind of add texture. Let's pick up some of these glitter, put it right on in there. Yes. Let's take some Fix Plus. This is in Pink Light. And I've just doused my hair in that, concentrating on the center. Ooh, yeah. And then use my fingers to just separate it, pushing it out. Having my hair that little bit wet is making this much easier. I'm gonna get the blue, just a little touch because mermaid vibes are a thing. And then I'm obviously gonna have like bits of glitter elsewhere. I'm just gonna toss that in. As the last step in this epic unicorn, space, queen, alien, space, unicorn situation, we're gonna use the one and only Urban Decay setting spray in All Nighter. This one's got my name on it, which makes me feel like an absolute queen with capital KW. And we're gonna spray that everywhere. I'm just gonna go put on my outfit. some accessories. I think the last little touch I'm gonna add, spray some Fix Plus onto my chest region. Grab some of the gold in your dreams glitter. Now I'm ready to party. This is my finished makeup look. So if you're gonna be at Splendour, make sure you let me know and we can hang out. If you love this makeup look, you want any more deets, then hit me up in the comments below and we can chat about it. Thank you so much for watching, Beauty Junkies. It's been an absolute pleasure and I'll see you at Splendour.